That's black girl magic. Like black girl magic is being able to go from curly to braids to straight to a wig to whatever. But if you would have asked me that 10 years ago, like my thoughts and my perceptions of black hair were completely different.
Hi, my name is Sienna Linda and I'm from San Diego, California.
And I'm Desi Williams. I'm from Peachtree City, Georgia. Right now I'm wearing the deep wave wig by Mayvenn. It's just sort of pulled back with the middle part, a low ponytail, or low bun rather. Super simple, but pulled together.
I love it.
Thanks.
I have box braids in. I've had them for about 3 weeks now and I love them.
They look amazing. Your baby hairs are everything. To me now, that's black girl magic. Like black girl magic is being able to go from curly to braids to straight to a wig. But if you would have asked me that 10 years ago, like my thoughts and my perceptions of black hair were completely different. And honestly, like unhealthy. I know it was unhealthy. It was an unhealthy obsession of mine was hair. So I love that we've come that far.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think it's so important that now more than ever, we're embracing the fact that our hair is iconic, you know, it's resilient and it's beautiful in its natural state or in the other manipulated, you know, states as well. And I think it's important that we embrace it and we push out that message so that, you know, these further generations also realize that you are beautiful, your hair is beautiful, whatever texture it is, you know?
I just remember like in reflecting on sort of that thought of your success in dating, for whatever reason, that really like resonated with me. Because I grew up in like a predominantly white neighborhood. I was one of very few black girls. And I just remember all of like the black guys, also very few, but they wanted girls like light skin with curly hair, light skin with curly hair. That's what everybody wanted. And that wasn't, obviously that's not who I am. I have no way of becoming that. So it's kind of liberating now to know that like the standard of beauty isn't such a small section of the population of black women.
Yeah, I love that you brought that up because I feel like I'm kind of on the opposite side. You know, I am biracial, I'm Filipino and black, and all my life from my black friends, they've always told me like, oh, you have such good hair, oh, you have good hair. I never really realized that though, because when I saw their curls, I was like, wow, it's so beautiful. It defies gravity. Like, look how strong and it just looks so beautiful to me. And so when they told me this, I was like, what? You know? Yeah, so I like how you brought that up. And I do agree, you know, especially in dating, you can get treated so differently just by how you wear your hair. You know, if I come with box braids or if I have a wig on, whether it be neon or just a straight jet black thing, you know, or whether it's my natural, you know, my curls out, flourishing. Any person can treat me completely different just by my hair texture.
I could go back and talk to my younger self. I would for sure just say like, baby girl, the hair that God gave you is amazing and it's wonderful and it's perfectly made for you. So embrace it and love it and take better care of it. Because I think even when I got to the point where like I was more comfortable with my hair, I also knew how to manipulate it more. And so I took the opportunity to manipulate it more. But I wish I would have loved it more and like loved on it more.
I love that. I think that's important. Love on it more. Yeah.